Hi, and welcome to GWestRookieTraders.com. We're looking here at a chart for Chbo, China Biopharma Incorporated. We've been discussing China Biopharma Incorporated, or CHBO, for quite some time here on GWest Traders. The first time that we announced CHBO, we had announced it down here, and it made an explosive move, and we had congratulated shareholders who were able to play into this. Then we announced that we had gotten out of the stock, and we rested on that for a while. I've been following it, and I kept posting it every single night for about a month straight, that the potential sleeping giant that it is. And you know, I set up these lines and these Fibonacci retracements quite some time ago, and we finally got that explosive move today. So whoever got in down here, well, congratulations, you just hit a big one. These Fibonacci retracements today didn't even matter. This thing blew through every single resistance all the way to the top. The last one being this 059, 261.8% retracement, and we did catch a little resistance here on the top at 069. What I want to do is I want to pull your attention to the next chart here, where we'll be looking at, this is our 60-minute chart. And I want to show you what we're looking at tomorrow, what I'll be looking at tomorrow. And the thing that I'll be looking at tomorrow is right here. This is probably the strongest support that we have going into tomorrow. And that's just under the 5-cent line, and I believe it's set at 0.049. Then I also want to show you, wow, what explosive volume today. There was no other day like it as far as volume, pretty much all month. Everything is vacant before it. So here now we say that this is the strongest support that we have at 0.49, but the next level of support I find here on the 60-minute is somewhere just above 4 cents. Then we're looking at a possible top out here between this point and this point, which will play as a mild resistance tomorrow, and that's set at approximately 0.054 or 0.055. And then of course we have the absolute top of the day, which is going to be the resistance to beat, which is set at 0.69. Next, we're going to point out right here we have our 30-minute chart, and on the 30-minute, what I'm looking at primarily is the flag. And the flag is telling me that we'll get some kind of breakout here within the first 30 minutes of the stock. We'll know which way we're going, I think. But basically, same idea. I find support at 0.48, so we know we got some kind of base here from 5 by looking at the daily chart, by looking at the 60-minute chart and the 30-minute chart. We know that there's some kind of good base, 0.048-ish, 49-ish. Because these things kind of move a little bit, you know. They kind of have like a little cloud around them, and you know, a couple of points give or take. Ideally, here's the heaviest one that we have, and this is when we looked at the 60-minute chart and the daily, it kind of showed us the same idea here. And again, this has like a kind of cloud around it, give or take a few points, and we're looking at a good base somewhere around 0.0225-ish. Again, we want to thank you all for following GWest Rookie Traders, and we want to congratulate those of you who have been following and that knew about this stock, CHBO, when it was sub-penny. That's right, guys. From sub-penny to where we are now, some of you were able to conjure up 700-800% easy. You're looking at a good 8-10 bagger. Tomorrow morning, if we gap up, Lock it in, baby. Nothing wrong with taking a little profits off the top. I myself sold some of my position, and now am guaranteed not to lose any money. We really feel strongly about this company, that there was no evaluation placed on it. Now all of a sudden, another company, third party, have endorsed this company and said that it's valued at $150 million. Wow. Alright guys, you have a great evening, and we look forward to trading with you tomorrow, and we'll keep you posted to anything that's new and upcoming, and we try to do our best to stay on top of it and be ahead of the curve, not behind, because if you go on AmericanBulls.com, for example, oh yeah, great, it's a buy, but you're bye-bye too late. Okay guys, have a great evening. Thank you for following GWestRookieTraders.com.